Sodwana is a decidedly different world to Aliwal. It's a kaleidoscope of light, color, and vitality. But don't let this deceive you. In such a populated habitat, competition for food is relentless. Down here, beauty isn't used as a form of attraction, but rather as a warning. Here, the most beautiful are also often the most dangerous. Perhaps the creatures that best encapsulate this are these two. Harlequin shrimp are certainly some of the most attractive residents of the reef. But they survive in a rather macabre way. The Harlequin shrimp's main source of food is starfish. With such picky tastes, when the shrimp get their claws on one, they make sure they don't let it go. They immediately begin work by paralyzing it. They do this by cutting through its tubular feet. The harlequins will slowly but surely eat away at the hapless invertebrate. But starfish legs regenerate thanks to specialized stem cells. So the starfish will be kept prisoner as it regrows its legs, feeding its hosts. Often the starfish will succumb to hunger and eventually die. But harlequin shrimp have been known to keep starfish alive by feeding them, thus prolonging their own supply of food. It's a very slow demise. Specialized feeding is what it takes to survive in an environment with such high competition for food. The shrimp have made the most of a niche unexploited by other residents.